guys, I wanted to pop on here really quick, wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day, and tell you about my weekend sale. So for the weekend, free shipping on US orders over $35 this weekend only. So usually it's $60, but for the weekend it's $35. And you can claim a special coupon code for the weekend only if you are subscribed to my newsletter. I sent out a newsletter, and if you didn't get it, or if you want to subscribe, head on over to my Facebook page and you'll see the newsletter there. You can subscribe on that newsletter and right from that page. So open up the newsletter, and at the top it'll say subscribe. You can subscribe, and then you can claim your coupon code for the weekend. So I just want to pop on and let you guys know about that. And I was going to make a quick little card here doing the paper bag card challenge that I have going on right now on the YouTube channel. So if you do this challenge, just make a card out of a paper bag any way you like, and just use the hashtag. I'll have it on the screen right there for you. And I will be able to find your video that way. And at the end of the month, I will do a random drawing, and one will win a $10 code to the Not Too Shabby shop. So I am using the free digital download that I have right now on the website, a little Valentine's Day gift for you guys. This cute little coffee mug with the whipped cream is called Coffee is My Valentine. So you can use that. Please hashtag me Not Too Shabby Shop if you do a card with the digital image. I would love to see it. Give a little shout out to my digital images. Help me spread the word a little bit. So I could get that going more and, draw every month for you, release a new image every month. And I want to do a design team for the Instagram on my digital images. So I really want to get that going. If you are interested in being on the Instagram design team for the digital images, this is the perfect opportunity for you to design with one of my digital images and post it up on your Instagram account. Use that hashtag so I can see your project, or tag me. I am Jamie_Scrap&Stampers on Instagram. So I just used this little distresser tool to do the edges so that when I do paste it down, if it's not perfect, you will never be able to tell that it's not perfect. So that's what I'm going to do. And I like the look of that. So my image is going to go there. I'm using lawn fawn paper. So I'm going to rough up these edges, and then we'll glue down our panels, and I will be back. I'm going to use liquid glue to adhere our pieces here. I want the back to be green, so I'm going to kind of mix up the colors here. Then I'm going to glue down these sides here, so that'll create a little pocket. I could just use some tape runner. So now I got a little pocket. I could stick some more images in there. And then we've got a little book. You can put a little gift on the side here. And then you can also make a closure if you wanted with a little ribbon. You can put the ribbon underneath the paper to make a closure, or make a belly band, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to let this dry before I add my image and my sentiment on here. Okay, so that completes my card. Just added some sequins on there. The word hello from the stamp set. You Give Me Butterflies from MFT. And then on the inside I have a little pocket here to add some images or tags or whatever. And then on the back I can stamp Made By. And then on the inside here, there's a little pocket to put a little stamp or something. So really cute and easy. So I hope you guys are able to join this month's challenge. I will do a blog post linking your video so that the blog subscribers will see who did the challenge. And I also post the winner. So thank you guys for stopping by. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you're having a great day. Bye guys.